Today I went to a brand spanking new Norwegian Cruise Line holding ship for its inaugural launch right here in New York City. And all I can tell you is that once again, we are struggling as investors because we simply cannot predict human behavior. The cruise ship seemed filled with joyous people who were ecstatic about being on one of these things without masks. That had been the protocol. Now it's gone. They were itching to spend at the bars and the gambling tables. Of course, that's not a reason why people should buy or sell stocks. Including this bummer of a day where the Dow shed 347 points, S&P lost 1.02%, Nasdaq declined 0.68%, giving back some of those big gains. But it is something you have to think about because so much of picking stocks comes down to gauging the public psyche, and that is inherently subjective. It's why I'm always trying to relate what you see in the real world with what you get in the stock market. So I see a full boat of people on a Norwegian cruise ship, and I think, you know what? That is bullish. Bullish for the company. But then I realize it's great for the economy, too. And you know what? That's bad for the stock market. Remember, the Federal Reserve is on a mission to slow the economy, and any sign of strength will cause them to raise interest rates more aggressively. Oh, let me put you another way. If you own the stock of Norwegian Cruise, you want it to do well, but you also want the rest of the travel industry, especially the other cruise lines, to do poorly, because that's the only way to avoid the wrath of the Fed and still make money on Norwegian. And look, that's the calculus in every industry. Last night, we received the terrific September sales numbers from Costco. They haven't had to roll back prices yet. They're just asking their suppliers to lower what they charge to reflect lower commodity costs. Costco is an inflation fighter. We want people to shop there because if how much they can save on food.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @JimCramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.